Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install Yii2 basic template using Composer. Composer is the PHP dependency manager, and if you've been using PHP for quite a while, you might have interacted with it. If you haven't, don't worry, just navigate to getcomposer.org and read more about the composer, how to install it, and how to troubleshoot any issues. So, depending with your machine operating system, you can read more about how to install it. Like for the Linux, Mac, and Unix, you can read more this guide. Also, for the Windows machines, it's easier because there is the Composer setup installer. So I always prefer the the installer, because it's pretty easier compared to the manual installation. So once you've installed the Composer, you can check that you have the latest Composer version by running composer -p, and it should return latest version Composer. So in my case, as per the date of recording this video, it's 1.10.10. Might be different depending on the date we'll be using Composer. So with the Composer ready, we are ready to install the Yii2 basic template. So when you read on the guide, it just tells you the basic things that the templates come with, and it's pretty easy for you to use them to kickstart your project compared to starting from the scratch. So let's see. So this is the command that we will run to install the basic template. And what this simply means, like they have explained here, you will install the latest stable version of Yii2 template in the directory named basic. So you can change basic to something else that you want. So like in my case, I'll be naming it something different. So let's see how to do it. Um, I'm using the XAMPP, and you might be using something different as your local server. So I'll just navigate to cd, navigate to ht docs, then projects. I prefer all my projects under the projects folder in htdocs because I have more than one project. So I'll get to that project and then copy this command, that is composer create project command, and something like that. So you can change the basic parameters, the basic name to something else like custom name or custom app, depending on kind of project you are creating. So in my case, I'll leave it to something app. So, or something like test app. And once hit enter, it should start to install the files. And in case you run into any problem, you should be able to troubleshoot, use the troubleshooting section of the Composer, because many people might run into several issues with Composer depending on your network and also depending on the configuration status of your Composer. So once the Composer has installed your project, you should be able to see, like in my case, the writing log file, your writing autoload files, blah blah blah, and much more. So once installed, I'm now able to access it under localhost projects app web. That is it. So this is the basic template. You can see it has basic pages like contact, login. I think the login page is not working, and much more. So in future videos, we will be exploring several ways on how to get more from Yii2 framework. Uh, that's pretty much about the installation using Composer. And if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section, and you can also support me liking this video, sharing, also subscribing to my channel for future. See you next time.